Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Discord on your laptop. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to install Discord on your laptop. So let's get started. So guys, to install Discord, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Discord. Now click on first link. And here you can see two options. Download for Windows and open Discord in your browser. So here we have to simply click on first option, download for Windows. So click on it. So guys, here you can see our setup starts downloading. So wait for it. So guys, here you can see our setup has been downloaded. So simply close the Chrome browser. Now open the file explorer. So guys, here you can see Discord setup. So simply double click on it. So guys, here you can see installing updates. So guys, here you can see written how do you want to open this. So I have selected here Chrome browser and simply click on OK. So after that, simply enter your login details and simply log in. So guys, here you can see we have installed the Discord on our laptop. So you can also install the Discord on your laptop by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.